Hey, what's going on out there, guys? I just wanted to give a quick little idea for you guys to play with, and it's something that's really cheap and affordable, readily available. They're becoming increasingly popular these days, and that is a run-of-the-mill copper cup. Now, if you see that there's a lot of stuff you could probably fit in there, and even if it's not a lot of stuff, let's just say it's just like a pile of crystals or something, then you're not going to worry about them spilling out all over the place or falling off of the potent plate. But you can fit a decent amount of stuff in there. Now, if you look at, like, if you're going to do a large ritual later, you could fit a bunch of candles in there, a bunch of incense, all sorts of stuff. Some of the, like a woman might, can program a bunch of makeup in there, or whoever is going to wear makeup. Maybe you're a pro wrestler like the Ultimate Warrior. You can program all sorts of stuff, a bunch of nice jewelry like these. And yeah, copper cups, they're all over the place. I got mine. I got a few of them for free. They were just merchandise from a sales rep for a liquor company. And they're becoming increasingly popular. A lot of the electroculture people are real big into them now. And some people are seeing health benefits from drinking out of them, allegedly. So you can just imagine doing a large working, grabbing a handful of candles, incense, all sorts of stuff. Dial your rate. Turn it on, let it go. A lot of real simple, real cheap, real available. I got mine for free. Got a few of them. I'm sure you could find them for dirt cheap if you just look around your town. So that's about it. Anyway, it's basically an economy potentizer. So I hope this helps you guys, and I wish you all the best on your magical journey. You all take care.